Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we're gonna be making this wonderful, good looking, mouth watering fried rice with cabbage. But if you're new here, please do want to subscribe to our channel, like this video, leave a comment and hit the notification button so you never miss an update from the Chow. Let's get started. Alright, so we have our pot and our water. So we're just gonna put in our rinsed rice. We rinse the rice, so we're gonna put into our hot water and allow to boil on heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. We don't want our rice to be too soft, so we're just gonna heat it up for a few minutes. So right here, I'm just gonna add some water into my pot. That's actually sufficient enough to cook my rice to the perfect texture that I want it to be. So right here, I'm adding my curry and turmeric mix into this, just to give it that wonderful fried rice color that I need. I'm also gonna add my fresh pepper. I love my fried rice to have some sort of heat, you know, so it won't just be plain like that. It's gonna have a little spice in it. So I'm also gonna add my salt and my seasoning cubes to give it my perfect taste. So I'm just gonna give this a little stir and then I'll cover it and allow to cook for about 5 minutes, okay? So this is it after 5 minutes. You can see it's boiling. So right here we're gonna add our parboiled rice into this and give it a wonderful stir until everything is uniform. So right here, I'm gonna add the rest of my curry and turmeric mix just to enhance the color of my rice. And I'm also gonna add water because I think the water I added before wouldn't cook this rice to my perfect texture. So I'm just gonna add water and then I'll give it a quick stir again and then cover it to cook again. So it is done, okay? So here's our rice. It's looking so beautiful and so perfect. You can see how wonderful it is. It's not soggy, it's not gummy, the texture is just perfect. So yeah, we have our pot and we're gonna put little oil into the spot so we can actually stir fry all our veggies for our fried rice. So in here, I'm gonna add my onions, my chopped onions into this first and give it a wonderful stir. I'm also going to add my spring onion into this just right after the normal onions. And I'm going to stir this also. I'm going to add my carrots. Just add in all your vegetables. So we're gonna add our cabbage into this. Cabbage fried rice is one of the best homemade fried rice you'd ever see. It makes your fried rice look good. It makes it taste good. It also makes your veggies sufficient for the rice. So I just love everything about this recipe. It's just so good, so nice. You can see how the cabbage just made our veggies to be much. You get. So in here, I'm gonna add a little more curry into this just to give it that color that's gonna blend in with the rice. Okay, so I'm gonna stir this also. And I'm also gonna add my seasoning cubes and my salt to taste. So we'll just cover this and allow to sit for like 3 minutes. Okay, so this is our rice. What we're gonna do, I'm just gonna reduce my rice in another bowl so I can mix half of it and then mix the other half when I'm done. Okay, if you've read this part of this video and you still haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. It's gonna really mean a lot to us. Okay, so right here we're gonna add our stir fry veggies into this just after stirring our rice a little bit, just to make sure it's free. So we're gonna add our vegetables into this. You can see how wonderful it already looks. Okay, just add enough. I always love my veggies to be just okay with the rice. Okay, we're gonna give it a quick stir. You can see how wonderful our fried rice is already looking. Okay, so we're gonna add the rest of our rice into this and also repeat the process. Just gonna add the veggies and then mix very well. So guys, this is our fried rice looking so beautiful. Oh my god, I think you can eat this anytime, any day. Remember, this is with cabbage and this is without stock, so you don't have to have your chicken stock or your fish stock or your meat stock to make this beautiful rice. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.